1 million downloads, no investments. This is the story of my stupidest idea that actually worked. Total earnings will be shown in the middle of the video. December 2016, I'm scrolling Google Play looking for trending apps. Death calculator keeps showing up. People are obsessed with knowing when they will die. I think it's ridiculous, but ridiculous sells. I fire up my laptop and open Unity, start building what would become my next viral hit. No market research, no business plan, just pure coding. The concept is that simple: answer lifestyle questions, get your death date and share it with friends. Day 1, build the questionnaire logic. Day 2, add the creepy design and calculations. Day 3, polish and deploy. My entire investment, pizza dinner and $25 for Google Play, that's it. I launched it thinking maybe hundreds of people will download it. Maybe a few hundreds if I'm lucky. 1 month later my phone explodes, India loves it. Downloads spike to thousands daily, then tens of thousands. The App Store algorithms picks it up. Suddenly I'm trending in 10 countries. 1 million installs in 9 months. Revenue starts rolling in, $16, then $100. Peak month hits $377. But here is the kicker: I built this as a throwaway project. No expectations, no pressure, just pure experimentation. Isn't that exactly why it worked? Most developers overthink validation. They waste time building new features and complex architectures for products that will never take off. I spent 5 minutes on Google Play. Here is what I discovered. Apps with death calculator in the title are climbing in the charts. One has 50,000 downloads, another hits 100,000. The demand is already proven. People aren't just downloading this app, they're obsessed with them, reviews are crazy. The pattern is clear: death curiosity plus shareability equals viral potential. But here is where I saw the opportunity. Unshareable, no hook, nothing worth showing a friend. I could build something better in 3 days. So I fired up Unity. The core logic took 6 hours. Lifestyle questions mapped to life expectancy. Smoking -5 years, drinking -3 years, exercise +4 years. I added a random offset to every calculation. Same answers could give different results. This makes every prediction feel unique. The design philosophy is simple: dark theme because it's spooky, red accents for drama, skeleton graphics from free stock sites, everything screams. Creepy but fun. Day 2 and Day 3 is all about polish, testing on different phones, making sure nothing crashed. Go away. The prediction screen is crucial, big dramatic text showing the death date, Grim Reaper image for visual impact, and the most important feature of all, a share button. Not buried in settings, not hard to find, just there on the main result screen. One tap to share your death date with the world. This isn't just an app, it's a viral machine. Every user becomes a marketer. Every share brings new downloads. There is no backend at all, no accounts, no servers. Testing phase is fast. I answered this question 10 different ways, getting 10 different death dates. Perfect. The moment I hit publish button on Google Play, I think it's just another throwaway app, but something about it feels different. I have a hunch it might be bigger. I just didn't expect it to blow up like this. Week 1 is silent, 20 downloads in total, mostly friends testing it out. I just quietly write it off. Week 4 changed everything. I'm at my day job, checking Google Play console. You have 400 new installs. Wait, what? I refresh the page, 500 installs. Refresh again, 600 installs. The numbers are climbing in real time. Every refresh shows 100 more downloads. I dig into analytics, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore. Users are going crazy for this thing. Then I see the reviews pouring in. It's spreading through social networks like wildfire. The viral mechanics I built are working perfectly. But here is what really accelerated everything: the emotional screenshot. At first I used boring App Store screenshots. Download numbers grew slowly. Then I have an idea. What if I show the emotional impact instead? Someone says it works. I find a stock photo of a girl crying and place her next to the Grim Reaper. Uploaded the emotional picture as the first image. Within days conversion rate spiked. App Store visits to installs rose from 5% to nearly 30%. The same traffic, 6 times more downloads. The single change multiplied everything. Day 10 is the turning point. I woke up to 10,000 new installs overnight, then 20,000 the next day. The Google Play algorithm noticed. I started ranking in the trending section. More visibility meant more downloads. More downloads meant higher rankings. It became a self-reinforcing cycle. Then I localized everything. I translated the app into 10 languages. Not just the app interface, the entire Google Play listing. This opened up massive new markets. Each new country brought fresh viral waves, different cultures, same curiosity about death, the universal human fascination with mortality. By May 2017, I hit almost 1 million total installs. India remains the biggest market, but I'm seeing installs from other countries as well. I started seeing YouTube videos featuring the app. The organic reach was explosive. But here is what blew my mind. Soon copycat apps started popping up everywhere. Same format, same mechanics, just under different names. First, I'm annoyed. Then I see it for what it is, the natural end of the app's life cycle. Copycats aren't the problem, they are just the final chapter, and I decided to sell it. 1 million people downloaded my app. The craziest part, I never spent a single dollar on marketing, no ads, no influencers, no PR campaigns, just pure viral mechanics and word of mouth growth. This taught me something crucial about viral products. Distribution beats featuring every single time. You can build the most amazing app in the world, but if it doesn't spread naturally, it dies. Sometimes the simplest ideas with strongest hooks win everything. Let's talk about what you really want to know. How much money did the thing actually make? The numbers will surprise you. Month 1, $12. Not bad, but can be better. Next month, $164. Month 3, $115. Month 4, $325. I put the final death date result behind a rewarded video ad. I use Unity ads. Best for rewarded videos then. Users have to watch a 30-second ad to see their prediction. But here is a psychological trick. They desperately want to know their death date. Curiosity makes the ad feel worth it. Peak revenue hit $377 in May 2017. But here is where it gets interesting. As downloads start declining, I face a choice. Keep optimizing and try to revive growth, or cash out while the app still has value. I chose to sell. June revenue drops to $170. July hits $130. The trend is clear. The viral moment is ending. So I listed the app on Flippa. Flippa is basically eBay for digital assets, apps, websites, online businesses. I was honest about the numbers, showed all the revenue screenshots, set the starting bid at $500. The auction lasted several days. Final sale price $3,000. Here is the math that made it worthwhile. $3,000 from the sale, plus about $3,000 in total ad revenue. $6,000 from 3 days of work. $2,000 per day. That's pretty good hourly rate. The sale process was surprisingly smooth. Google Play app transfers are straightforward. Hand over the source code, done. No legal complications, no user data to worry about. The app collected zero personal information. Here is what I learned about app monetization. Rewarded videos ads work good for entertainment apps. Users will watch ads for content they really want, especially if there is an emotional hook. The mistake I made, not building a network of similar apps. I should have created several different viral apps. Instead, I let millions of users slip away. One-time visitors who could have become recurring revenue. That's the biggest missed opportunity. If I rebuild this today, here is what I change. React Native instead of Unity for faster development. Results in video format for sharing on TikTok. A portfolio of related apps instead of just one. Better analytics to understand user behavior. The beauty of mobile apps is the scale. Once you have product market fit, distribution is automatic. App stores handle payments, downloads, updates. You just collect the revenue. This story taught me something important. You don't need a revolutionary idea to make money. You need to spot what people want and deliver it a bit better than the competition. 8 years later, this app taught me everything I know about viral products. Here is what you need to understand. Most developers overthink the idea phase. They spend months perfecting features that nobody wants. Validation isn't about surveys or focus groups. It's about finding existing demand and serving it better. Today's tools make the development much easier. Cursor can build an app like this in minutes, not days. React Native exports to iOS and Android instantly. AI can generate content, translate languages, generate ideas. The technical barriers have completely disappeared, but the distribution principles remain the same. Your product must be inherently shareable, not because you ask people to share, but because sharing is a part of the core experience. The screenshot strategy works for any app. Most developers show boring interface shots. Instead, show the emotional outcome. Show people reacting to your product. Show the moment of surprise, joy or shock. And one last thing, what are you waiting for? Ship something this week and share it in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye!